pills. Bitch, I'm ballin', yeah, right out the gym. I'm on home, passing these hoes just like the ball. Yes, ball, passing these hoes just like the team. Passing these hoes.
What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get Spotify Premium for free, which means you could play Spotify when your phone's turned off, or you could download all the music onto your phone. But first, can you guys just go check out this Twitter I made for my YouTube? And also, when you guys followed my Twitter, just DM me saying done. And then also, can you guys check out my Instagram? I'll show it here on the screen in a minute. This is my YouTube. It says Joey 2 times. The links to both of these will be in the description down below. But let's get right into the video. I'll leave the link down below in the description as well. I just have it saved in my notes so I can go here anytime. When you go here, it's going to show up these ads. Just swipe up on the top screen and hit the little X on the left hand corner. And then when you go over to apps, you can go down to cracked apps where it shows Spotify, and you can just search in Spotify ++ and hit install. After you hit install, it's going to bring up a little pop-up. It's just going to say install again. I accidentally hit it twice, so that's why it's doing it. After this downloads, what you're going to want to do is go to settings, because it's not trusted from Apple. When you get to settings, go down to general, and then you're going to go to device management and click whatever it says. I don't really know what it says, but hit trust. When you hit trust, all you can do is close out everything else. After you close everything, you could go right into Spotify. You're gonna have to log in I just log into Facebook because that's my only Spotify account. Whenever I get logged in, you guys could tell that it's Spotify Premium by the dashboard. Hit allow, and I'm just gonna show you quick. It plays music. I'm just gonna play non-copyright so YouTube don't get me. But as you can see, I'm on the home screen going through whatever I want. The music's still playing. That's the link. Like I said again, it's gonna be down in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share this video. Remember, there's a giveaway if I hit 1,000 subscribers. Let me know down in the comments how you guys like this video. If you guys like the how-to videos, just let me know down below like I've been saying. Thanks for watching, have a good day, and be ready for the next video.